Hello, my name is Feroz Khan and I'm the South Delhi area property manager. Right now, I'm going to show you a house which is located in Greater Kailash 2, E Block, Delhi. So before going to start the house video, let me tell you about the house. So it's a 5 BHK duplex house which is unfurnished. Let's go for the house tour. So this is the entrance of the house, and if I start from the room number 1, so now I'm entering room number 1. Room number 1 having ceiling fan, light, window for the ventilation purpose, at almirah which is attached with the wall, attached balcony, and this room and the room number 2 having common washroom with all the facilities. But like the door for this washroom is attached with room number 1 and room number 2. So washroom having wash basin, mirror, light, WC, geyser, exhaust fan, ceiling fan and tube light. Going forward, this is room number 2. Room number 2 again having light, fan, almirah, attached balcony, and this is the washroom. As I already mentioned that this room and room number 1 having common washroom, but the entry are the separates. This room also having extra space where you can use this space for puja. So this space is also called puja ghar. Going forward, this area comes in common area. This is common area, and again there is an extra space in common area as well where you can put your extra luggage. It is very spacious. Going forward, now I am entering in room number 3. This is room number 3. Room number 3 having light, ceiling fan. This room also having attached balcony. This is attached balcony which is very spacious, and this is the view from the balcony. So in the front of the house there is a public park as well. So also you will get a car parking as well. This room also having attached washroom with all the facilities like light, WC, wash basin, mirror, exhaust fan. Going forward, this floor having kitchen as well. So this is a kitchen having slabs, kitchen cabinet, exhaust fan, ceiling fan, window and water taps. As I already mentioned, it's a 5 BHK unfurnished duplex house. So now going forward, so this is a floor, and let's go for the other floor where you can go through the stairs. So these are the stairs. Again, this floor also having like rooms. So let's go for the room number 4. This is room number 4. Room number 4 having like almirah, ceiling fan, lights and attached balcony. So this is the attached balcony, and this is the outer space from the balcony. This room also having attached washroom with all the facilities like WC, geyser, wash basin, mirror, shower, exhaust fan and ceiling fan. Going forward, this is room number 5. Room number 5 having the same thing like ceiling fan, light, almirah which are attached with wall. Again this room having attached balcony, and this room also having attached washroom with all the facilities like wash basin, WC, western toilet means, exhaust fan, geyser, light, ceiling fan, water taps and shower. Going forward, this area comes in common area. Again there is an extra space which is attached with common area where you can put your extra luggage. And as I already mentioned, it's a duplex house, and these are the stairs. We are go to the upper wala part. Now I'm going to the hall. So this is a hall. Again, hall is very spacious. As you're seeing, hall having light, ceiling fan, like lot of space in the hall, and again ceiling fan. Wallpapers is also on the wall, and this hall also having like attached balcony, and this is the main door as well. So this duplex house has 3 main doors. One is that, another is this, and one is that where we have started the video. Again, this floor also having like kitchen, which is very spacious. Kitchen having water taps, geyser, ceiling fan, kitchen cabinets, exhaust fan, and window. So this is all about this duplex 5 BHK house. Thank you so much.